Hello to all of you. You are so hardworking. So today I'm going to share with you the bite size number 8 on whether should one invest in 99 or freehold. Okay, whether one should invest in 99 or freehold, this question is a very common question. So my answer to this question is it really all depends. Okay, if one purchaser focus return as a principal consideration, then we can actually take out the statistical data, okay, in both the 99 and freehold to see whether we can gain some potential insight in our decision making. So let us all dive into the data. So which one is better? Which one has a higher return? So let's take a look at this particular case in point, Tembusu Grand, which reside in D15. So we see out the past 10-year data in D15 from 2013 all the way to 2023 for both the 99-year lease as well as the freehold. Looking at the blue color trend line, these are all the ups and downs of a 99-year lease. And the yellow color trend line is the ups and downs of the freehold developments. You get to see that 99-year lease generated a high return of 60% versus a freehold, which generated 39%. And if you look at the bigger pool of a city fringe, we call it the RCR, rest of central region terminology, where Tembusu Grand also reside, because we want to analyze apple comparison. And with this wider pool of this analysis, you also realize the consistent result of a 99-year return is indeed more superior compared to a freehold return of 13%. The question is, why 99-year lease has a higher return? It's something that intrigued me. And with a deeper analysis on this result that is being shown statistically over the past 10 years trend line analysis, I asked myself this question: why this 99-year lease has a higher return compared to a freehold return? The analysis that I realized is this: imagine if you are a freehold owner. Generally, what would a freehold owner price the development? You, as a freehold owner, how would you price it? Would you price a premium for a freehold development? Think about it. So generally, freehold owners will price a premium, and some even super premium. So now, thinking from another perspective, a buyer who buy that freehold would have to pay that premium, would have to pay that high price. And from that logic, you realize if a buyer were to pay that premium, that high price, and naturally, coming from the return perspective, would have a lower return. And this particular insight shared why statistically a 99-year lease has a higher return for this particular context, the D15 and the RCR context. So if one is very clear that you're going to decide to buy a horizon of say 10 years as a jumping platform, and if you know that the return is a principal consideration, then yes, the data does suggest that a 99-year lease is a better option. If and only if the return principal consideration is one of the key factors that one purchaser decide. And I hope today's analysis, this 99 and freehold, will share statistical point to add value to all the students here. And see you soon for the next bite size. Bye.